Welcome to Wednesday's Market SITREP here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, call sign Whiz. And Iraq keeps sliding even further into anarchy and chaos. A huge Iraqi oil refinery is burning, and it's the last reports I heard, and let's just say I'm in the know a little bit on this type of stuff, that what goes on in Iraq, that these rebels have seized, in fact, this oil field. So not good at all. And Saudi Arabia starting to rattle their saber a little bit too. They're sitting there saying, if you think we're going to let our neighbor to the north fall into Iranian hands, you got another thing coming. So here we go, folks. This is just a cauldron, and shows you of what happens when the United States leaves a vacuum and a leadership vacuum. This place turns into a clown car. Not that we're the world's policeman, but guess what, folks? When that policeman retires, the neighborhood gets really, really bad again. Okay, and Obama's really sitting on the porch just in his rocking chair as this place implodes, losing nearly 5,000 Americans in this effort to bring stability to Iraq, which we did. We won the war and we've lost the peace. And now Saudi Arabia's starting to wake up, as are other Gulf nations. They're like, if you think that we're going to see an Iranian caliphate from Syria through Iraq into Iran, you're nuts. So good stuff in the Middle East. And nobody cares until they care, right? Ukraine is still kind of a train wreck, so keeping an eye on that. We talked about this the other day, but housing starts and building permits imploded the other day. Even though the National Association of Home Builders Sentiment Index was positive or shows some bullish sentiment, the recent numbers just don't show that they should be bullish. So I don't know what the builders are smoking there. We talked about inflation the other day, biggest jump in 3 years as food costs are starting to go through the roof, and that's a bad thing. So net, what's that mean? We're just kind of wallowing around here. Okay, the Dow is down, 48, 50 points, and the SPUs are flat. So we're just kind of hanging. Weekly options model portfolio here, TGO's looking pretty good. I think we're just down a little bit for the week, but we have 3 trades on with a max risk of $17,000 and a max potential gain of $8,000 by Friday. So yeah, we're down about $500 on a Twitter bear call spread that's not going the way as planned. But it's Wednesday, folks, and there's a world of time between Wednesday and Friday expire of these weekly options. So again, risking $17,000. I mean that's if every one of these trades imploded, and it's a Google put spread, SPX Iron Condor, and a Twitter bear call spread. That ain't going to happen, by the way. But if everything works out as planned, that's $8,000 profit on $17,000 in risk. Okay, so make sure you check your email inbox, because we have a lot of big stuff going on at Top Gun Options this week. You have got to check out what's going on with our new Full Throttle program. Register for one of the webinars that we're doing tomorrow or Friday. I forget which day it is. You guys probably know better than I do. So make sure you stop by, check that out, and I'll see you during one of those webinars, because I want to brief you on our new Full Throttle program. Okay, happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll be back with Friday SITREP tomorrow morning. We'll see you.